All right, boys and girls, welcome to Frozen Week. Unfortunately, I don't have any books about Frozen, so I went into my garage and I dug through all of my boxes of books and I found a book about Sadie and the Snowman and All You Need for a Snowman. So those are the two books I'm going to read today. But before we begin, let's go ahead and start with practicing our sounds. Are you ready? P, p, p. B, b, b. W, w, w. Poke your tongue out. Make it vibrate. Good job. T, t. D, d. S, z, sh, j, ch, 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 j, 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 ya, 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 all the way in the back now. K, 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 g, g, g. A, E, I, O. Good job. All You Need for a Snowman by Alice Schertle. Illustrated by Barbara Lavelli. One small snowflake fluttering down. That's all you need for a snowman, except 2 more snowflakes, 3 flakes, 4, 5, 6, 7,000, 8 million more. That's a really big number, isn't it? Look, this little dog is trying to catch the snowflakes on his tongue. And they're trying to catch them as they fall down. Billions of snowflakes piled in a mound. Pat them and pack them and roll them around into one big ball. And that's all. One big, cold, well-rolled snowflake ball. That's all you need for a snowman. Except, wow, that is a very big ball. Look at it. It's way bigger than even the children. For a middle-sized ball and a small one. On top of that, you need a hat. A short, flat hat or a tall one. I bet this is going to be a very big snowman. 3 hand-packed, triple-stacked balls of snow. Hat on top where a hat should go. That's all you need for a snowman. Except for a couple of bottle caps, round and flat. Stick them under a snowman's hat. Surprise! Snowman's eyes. That's all you need for a snowman's face. But what's in the middle? An empty space. That's the place where the carrot goes, if the carrot is a snowman's nose. Look at, they're hanging off of that carrot. Have you ever seen a carrot that big? But what about clothes? Walnut buttons, 5 in a row, belt in the middle, boots below. Big wool scarf, broom to hold, mittens in case his hands get cold. Earmuffs, fanny pack, something to read. That's absolutely all that you need for a snowman. That's a lot of things for a snowman, isn't it? Look at that snowman. Uh-oh, look in the sky again. One small snowflake falling. Then, soft white snowflakes falling down, filling the sky, floating down everywhere, piling up high. And that's all you need for a snowman. For a snowman's friend. The end. Look at that. They're making a snow angel. Sadie and the Snowman by Alan Morgan and illustrated by Brenda Clark. Sadie and the Snowman. One cold winter day, Sadie made a snowman in her backyard. First, she made a snowball, and then she made 2 more. Then she rolled them until they were done. She used cookies for eyes, an apple for the nose, and a great big banana for the smile. He was a really good snowman, and he lasted for a very long time. But some birds ate the cookies, a squirrel ate the apple, and a large raccoon stole the banana. The sun came out, and the snowman began to melt. After a while, he didn't look much like a snowman at all anymore. Sadie was sad. She missed the snowman. So the next time it snowed, she made the snowman all over again. There was still a bit of the snowman left. So she made it into a snowball. Then she made 2 more, and she rolled them until they were done. She used crackers for the eyes, a carrot for the nose, and a nice fat zucchini for the mouth. He was a really good snowman, and he lasted for a good long while. But the birds ate the crackers, the squirrel ate the carrot, and a large raccoon stole the zucchini. The sun came out and the snowman began to melt, and for a while he didn't look very much like a snowman at all. This time Sadie wasn't sad. She knew it would snow again. All that winter, Sadie made the snowman over and over again. The birds ate the eyes, the squirrels ate the nose, and a large raccoon stole all of the smiles. The sun kept coming out, and the snowman kept melting. But there was always enough of the snowman left to start over again. Then the weather turned warmer. The sun came out earlier, and it stayed out longer. Sadie worried about the snowman. She found an old blanket and made him a tent so that he could hide from the sun. But the wind began to blow, and it blew and blew until one day the tent flew away. Spring was coming, and the snow on the ground was melting so fast that the grass grew through. The snowman was melting too. Sadie took him apart and moved him under the porch where the sun couldn't see him. But even so, he kept getting smaller. And after a while, he didn't look very much like a snowman at all anymore. The weather turned colder again just in time. Look at this cute little snowman under the porch. You see it right there? It snowed a little during the night, and in the morning, Sadie made the snowman again. There was just a little bit of snowman left, so she made it into a snowball. Then she made 2 more, and she rolled them until they were done. She used raisins for the eyes, a peanut for the nose, and a twist of red licorice for the smile. When the snowman was finished, Sadie put him in a bowl and moved him back under the porch. He was a really good snowman, but Sadie wasn't sure how long he would last this time. The birds ate the raisins, the squirrel ate the peanut, and the large raccoon stole the licorice. This time the snowman melted all the way down, and all that was left was a bowl of water. Sadie was sad. The really good snowman was gone now for good, and she knew that she would miss him. Then Sadie smiled. She knew just what to do. She poured all of the water out of the bowl and into a plastic bag. Then she put the plastic bag in her freezer. And for all that summer and all that fall, Sadie didn't miss that snowman at all. She knew she'd see him again. So when the winter came and it snowed again, Sadie took the plastic bag from her freezer and went outside. First, she made a snowball all around the ice that she'd saved. Then she made 2 more, and she rolled them until they were done. She used cookies for the eyes, an apple for the nose, and a great big banana for the smile. And he was a really good snowman. And he lasted a long time. The end. All right, boys and girls, for our next activity, I'm going to give you a possible craft that you can do at home. This is an especially great idea for a rainy day. So all you're going to need are some strips of white paper, a little bit of tape, markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and a bunch of water bottles that are empty and used. You can also use soda bottles. And then you're going to need a rolled up pair of socks. We are going to make a snowman bowling set. First, let's go and draw our snowmen. You can draw your snowmen any way that you want. So I'm going to draw my snowman with a purple marker and a purple hat. One circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, and a smile. And now I'm going to draw another one that is green. You can draw as many snowmen as you have water bottles, empty water bottles. Now you're just going to take each of your snowmen and you're going to put a teeny tiny bit of Scotch tape and tape them onto your water bottle. You see, I've got mine all ready to go. And look, if you don't have regular clear water bottles, you could just use 7-Up bottles or any other kind of soda bottle that you have. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to line them up and we're going to do some bowling. Go ahead and line up your snowmen up in front of you and take your rolled up sock, and now you're going to use that rolled up sock like a bowling ball. Are you ready? Here I go. Let me do it again and see if I can get the rest. Oh, I missed. I got another one. And you can keep playing this game together with your brothers or sisters, and it's just something you can do inside when you're feeling bored. All right, are you ready to end with our song? Great, me too. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to dance the freeze dance? It's Frozen Week. We've got to dance the freeze dance. All right, here we go. Great job, boys and girls. I'll see you later on.